Okay, so for this video, we'll be going to discuss about the QuickBooks accounting software. Okay, so it's QuickBooks Online, so we're going to use it, the website version of it. Okay, so here's a quick interface, the user interface of QuickBooks Online. So um, first, let's discuss about the dashboard. So yeah. Okay, so this is the quick look of the dashboard. So it just generally provides us details of the health of the business. So it provides us details about the invoices, so the accounts payable, accounts receivables, then our expenses, the profit and loss, and the sales. So you could see here there's no details yet provided because this is just a demo account, and then there's no transactions yet on the books of this business, so as well as the bank accounts. Okay, so yeah, so these things are very important, especially the expenses, the sales, and the profit and loss. So because this is just by looking at this detail, you could already check if your business is profitable or not. Okay, and then as well as the bank accounts, because especially since the bank is usually used for your business transactions. So if you don't have enough balances to settle your payments, then you'd have to find a way for you to settle that so that you could continue your business. And okay, and then the invoices details would also be very um, helpful for you to check, if you still have accounts receivables that are not yet collected and are already overdue. So you could see here there's overdue and not yet overdue items. Okay, so yeah, so that's just it for the dashboard. So we go to the banking. So okay, yeah, so that's it. So one of the great features of QuickBooks is that it has an this feature that connects your bank account automatically to your QuickBooks Online. So what it does is that you could automatically input all the transactions that happen in your business or bank account, business account, to QuickBooks Online, so that it would provide you ease of access of all your transactions. You don't need to manually input each and every transaction in your business, but instead, by using this option, you could already um, automatically input the transactions in the business. Okay, in the QuickBooks Online, I mean. Okay, but if it's not possible for you to put to connect your account, you could still manually input the transactions. It would depend on your choice. Okay, but I suggest you use this feature of QuickBooks because it's very helpful, and it could save you a lot of time as well. Next is the sales tab. So as it says, it provides details about the sales, so the invoicing. So it keep tabs on your sales, and then plus sending and tracking invoices. So another great feature of QuickBooks is that it already provides you standard template for your e-invoices, so you won't be if you don't have any yet, you could use the standard template provided by QuickBooks on your invoices. Okay, so I think that's a very helpful feature as well. So you could track here the invoices that are still outstanding, yeah, and then your customers and the product and service you provide. So okay, so that's it for the sales tab, and then you go to the expenses tab. Yeah, so opposite of sales, you have the expenses. So if the sales provide all the details about the sales, expenses provides all the details for expenses. So all expenses that you've incurred for the business will be shown here. So an example of a detail that's provided by this tab is the spending for your business. So it provides you a detailed overview of what are you spending in your business, so you could keep track. Maybe you've noticed that there's a huge spending for this account and this expense account, then you could check out why did it have uh, too much spending. So you could cut maybe your costs, and that by you just looking at the data provided, you could already check out what you could do, what you could decide for the business. So, and then if you have expenses, you also have a list of your suppliers. Okay, so you could check out what are the outstanding balances for suppliers and things like that. So which are your overdue items. Okay, yeah. So for employees, it just says that it is. So you could add your employees in QuickBooks, and then manage as well maybe your the payroll of your employees in this tab. Okay, so next one is the reports tab. So I think this is one of the main important items of important features of QuickBooks, because this provides you reports that you need on a time. It timely provides you the reports, because at just a click of these items, you could already check out how's the balance sheet of the business, the profit and loss, the AR aging, things like that, and other reports that are already provided in QuickBooks Online. So this is reports are very helpful for you to manage your business. Okay, sales and customers, what you owe you. Yeah. So I think this is are very good as well. So you could do as well custom reports like that. So okay, but if you want the standard ones, you could just fill in this way. Okay, so the next tab is the taxes. So yeah, so as business we pay taxes, and then by this tab we could manage our taxes easily, because it already connects the data that we've provided in QuickBooks in our books. Okay, so the next one is the accounting tab. So in the accounting tab, we have the chart of accounts. So in this tab will be shown as all the chart of account, all the accounts that we use for our books. So if we have a banking account, if you're a bank, and then we have the sales and the revenue accounts that we use, the assets and the liabilities as well as the equity side. Okay, so next one is the reconcile tab. So this one it's usually used for the banking accounts of the business. So if you want to reconcile what's on your bank statement with the books, so this is a very great tool for you to do so. Okay, so the last item is the app. So these are just additional items, additional apps within QuickBooks Online that you could use. So for example, this one, make payments, maybe this is good for e-commerce business, because it links your Shopify account to QuickBooks. Okay, then maybe tracking of expenses like this one, manage customers, time trackers, and a lot more apps. Okay, so yeah, so I think that's all the tabs for QuickBooks. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye.